You may not realize it, but there are several style mistakes you could be making that are inadvertently shrinking your stature. And whether you're looking to elongate your frame or simply present yourself with more confidence, understanding these common pitfalls is key. Whether we're talking about ill-fitting pants or oversized accessories, on today's video, we're going to explore 10 common style mistakes that might be making you look even shorter. So if you're ready to elevate your style game and stand a little taller, you're in the right place. Now, if you're new here, welcome, Jeff, your Style O.G. On this channel, we discuss various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. If any or all of those topics interest you, I invite you to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Eric Carsten, salute. First up on a list of 10 common style mistakes that make you look a little shorter, wearing a belt. You see, when you wear a belt, especially one that sharply contrasts with the color of your pants, it visually cuts your body in half, making you appear shorter. And the other problem with the belt, it draws attention to your waistline, creating a distinct horizontal line that disrupts the visual lines of your body, makes your bottom half appear shorter, especially if you wear a belt that's thick or with a large buckle. This can further emphasize this perceived effect. So what you want to do if you're a shorter guy, wear pants that fit well enough that you don't need a belt. And on the occasions when you do wear a belt that's close in color to the color of your pants. This can give you a more seamless look and create a sleeker silhouette. Another style mistake you want to avoid if you don't want to look any shorter, wearing clothing with large prints. You see, clothing with large prints, such as oversized checks or bold prints, can overwhelm someone of shorter stature. On top of that, large prints tend to draw attention to themselves, which can distract from the overall proportions of your body. On jackets or shirts, they make you appear more bulky and your body more wide, taking away from your vertical lines. Vertical lines are key when trying to give yourself an elongated frame and a more streamlined silhouette. Instead of elongating your frame, these large prints emphasize width, taken away from the perceived length of your body. Choosing smaller or more subtle prints, or even better yet, solid colors, can help create a more streamlined silhouette and give a more balanced appearance to shorter guys. Something else you want to avoid if you don't want to look any shorter, thick-soled shoes. Thick-soled shoes, such as chunky sneakers or boots, can reduce the overall perceived height. These thick soles add unnecessary bulk to the bottom of your shoe, weighing down your overall appearance. And on top of that, the significant increased height that can come from thick-soled shoes can appear disproportionate to the rest of your body, making your legs seem shorter by comparison. These shoes can also disrupt the natural lines of your body, especially if the soles are of a contrasting color to the rest of your shoes. This definitely can reduce your perceived height. So what you want to do instead, opt for shoes with thinner soles or a streamlined silhouette. This can help you maintain a balanced look and better proportions and prevent the perceived visual compression of your lower body, thus preserving the appearance of height. You also want to go out of your way to not wear low-rise pants or jeans. The problem with low-rise pants, they tend to elongate your torso, making your legs seem shorter by comparison. We definitely don't want that. On top of that, low-rise pants sit at your waistline, which can give you the visual appearance of compressing your lower body. This style accentuates the waistline and draws attention away from your legs, making them appear shorter than they are. What you want to do instead, choose high-rise or mid-rise pants. These type of pants elongate the legs. That's what we want. This creates a more proportioned and balanced silhouette. Mid-rise and high-rise pants sit higher on the waist, creating the illusion of longer legs, enhancing the overall impression of your perceived height. I also highly recommend that you not wear long or shapeless coats. The problem with these types of coats, they can overwhelm your frame, diminishing your perceived height. These type of coats often lack structure or definition, which can make your body appear swamped in fabric. Without clean lines to delineate your body, they make you appear visually compressed, thus looking shorter. Also, longer coats, especially ones that extend past your knees, can further enhance the look of you being engulfed by fabric and making your body appear shorter by comparison. What you want to do instead if you're a short king is choose coats with tailored silhouettes and those that are shorter. These coats with defined looks can give you a more streamlined silhouette more perceived height and can give you more flattering proportions, which is important for shorter fellas. Now, mistake 101 that shorter guys make: wearing long and untailored pants. This excess fabric that can pool at the bottom of your pants obscures the natural lines of your body. Not to mention, this bunched up fabric weighs your look down, makes you appear heavier and less sleek, makes your legs look shorter, and disrupts the natural visual flow. That's why it's oh so important with your jeans and your pants that you get them tailored to the proper length. For my shorter guys, you want to have your pants touch the top of your shoes. Gives you much more definition, visually elongates your legs, and replaces the shapeless, disruptive look that long, bunched up pants can give you. You want to make sure all your pants are properly tailored. It will elongate your look and give you more balanced and proportional silhouette. You also want to stay away from large accessories. Oversized watches, wide belts, bulky backpacks, they tend to overwhelm your frame and make you look shorter. These accessories draw attention to themselves and divert attention away from your body's proportion. When accessories are disproportionately large, they throw off the balance of your outfit and visually disrupt your silhouette. Take, for example, a wide belt. A wide belt draws attention to your waistline, emphasizes your midsection, and can make your torso appear broader and your legs shorter by comparison. Another example, wearing a bulky backpack. This can visually weigh you down, further detracting from the appearance of your perceived height. Choosing smaller and more proportionate accessories creates a more balanced look and prevents you from looking disproportionately short. You also want to do your best to stay away from wearing baggy clothing. Baggy clothing adds unnecessary bulk, which can disrupt the natural lines and contours of your body. Loose-fitting garments tend to have excess fabric that can hang away from your body. This excess fabric can overwhelm a smaller frame. On top of that, baggy clothing can visually widen your silhouette, making you appear broader and consequently shorter. Not to mention, baggy clothes often lacks definition and structure. Shorter guys, you want tailored, defined, and structured looks. Instead of enhancing your proportions, baggy clothes obscure your definition, drown your figure, and create a shapeless and disproportioned silhouette. Choosing well-tailored and better-fitting clothing that skims the body gives you a more defined, proportioned, and balanced appearance. Something else you want to avoid if you're a shorter guy: wearing your shirt untucked. You see, an untucked shirt disrupts the natural lines of your body and can create an imbalance of proportions. When you leave that shirt untucked, it also can tend to give the visual appearance of more bulk at your waistline, something you definitely want to stay away from. Adding width makes you look shorter. And wearing your shirt untucked makes your legs look shorter in comparison to the rest of your body. If you're wearing something that's covering up parts of your legs, it's going to make your legs look small as a result. And the thing about tucking in your shirt, it gives you a more polished look. A polished look always makes you appear a little longer. Wearing your shirt untucked, which covers your waistline and elongates your torso, not doing yourself any favors as you're creating an imbalanced and unproportioned look. Untucked shirts makes your upper half look longer, your shorter half look shorter, and makes you look overall shorter. Now, one of my simplest tips, but what I believe is probably one of my best ones, you want to avoid wearing outfits that have high color contrast. When you wear a light color at the top and a dark one at the bottom, or vice versa, it makes you appear shorter because it breaks up your body's vertical lines. This abrupt contrast draws attention to the transition that's created by this contrast in colors, making a person's eyes go directly to your waistline, cutting your body in half. It gives the effect of you looking shorter because it disrupts the continuity of your lines and can make one half of your body appear disproportionately shorter than the rest of it. That's why I often recommend for my short kings out there, wear outfits with low contrast, or better yet, err on the side of monochromatic outfits. Low contrast or monochromatic colors makes the body appear more streamlined, smoother, and elongated, and giving you the appearance of more height. Okay, so there you have it. 10 of the most common style mistakes that can make you appear even shorter. Now do me a favor, let me know in the comment section if you have any more style advice for the short kings out there. And if you enjoyed this video and found it informative, I highly recommend you check out a recent video I did about 11 easy ways to improve your style. You can check it out right here.